Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. Today we are going to share how to use quick steps in Outlook. So, quick steps in Outlook are used to automate repetitive email tasks, save time, and manage emails quickly with one click. Open Microsoft Outlook. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Look for the Quick Steps section. To create your own, click Create New. Enter a name for the quick step. Select the action you want, such as Move to folder, Forward email, Mark as read, Create new message, Add additional actions if needed. Assign a shortcut key, optional. Click Save. Now select any email and click your quick step to perform the action instantly. Use quick steps in Outlook to save time and manage emails faster every day. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more productive content.